On top of that, what we have covered is we've covered the creation of a report. I hope I've demonstrated today how easy it is that you can create a simple customer sales inquiry. Nearly all the reports on the business barometer are just as easy to create and don't take very long at all. I've spent about an hour doing this today and I've created a couple of reports. Formatting. We've looked at how we can use formatting in the reports, not only to quickly and easily give us a range of periods and year values, but also to make those reports look as professional as possible. We've built on those outputs. We've used 100 codes for the period to show us how we can get cumulative sales rather than net sales. Those 100 codes can work for suppliers as well as general ledgers and of course the GL views I've just mentioned. We've looked at some, and I do mean some, or maybe I should say a few, of the visual tools that are available to Microsoft Excel to create graphs and so on. Microsoft Excel is a very powerful product and has a lot more in it than I've been able to show you today. We've had a look at some other IRIS Exchequer functions. We've looked at the select function, how we can add that select function in to make it easy to select a customer by searching by name or even by VAT code or phone number. We can look for stock codes in the same way, suppliers in the same way. We've looked at the drill down function. We've seen how we can easily double click on a value within one of our reporting spreadsheets and drill right down into the transactions that make up that value. We could go further into those transactions for more detail and the transaction lines themselves. Most importantly, we've looked at linking Visual Report Writer with OLE. The reason I added this to this masterclass is because so many people have asked me how they can get transaction line information into a spreadsheet so they can use OLE functions based on that output. I've demonstrated to you today, hopefully, how easy it is to do that. We've also looked at pivot tables, a wonderful tool available to Microsoft Excel. Some of you probably know it better than I do, but for those of you who don't, I hope I've demonstrated how easy it is to use pivot tables to quickly create and build on your reports. It only remains for me to say thank you very much for listening to me today. I'll be out and about after this. If you've got any questions, please come and grab me. I'll be happy to answer anything you've got to ask afterwards. And now I'll hand back over to Paul. Thank you.